Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal, stand before you with a very important topic of environmental studies of plus 3 first semester, and the name of the topic is water cycle. So far as water cycle is concerned, in this video, two aspects of it have been focused. One is the meaning of water cycle. Other one is the processes of water cycle. But before I discuss what is the meaning of water cycle and what are the processes of water cycle, I want to inform my viewers that in my channel political science videos of plus 2 first year to plus 2 second year and political science videos of plus 3 first semester to 5th semester including environmental studies are available, and those videos are in Odia. Its exact English videos are available, English versions are available, and those videos which are in English, it's exactly Odia version are also available in my channel for the convenience of students. And I want to intimate my viewers that if you have subscribed, it is all right, so that benefit will be yours. And those of your friends who are in above classes, request them to subscribe so that at least some students will be benefited. And I want to inform my viewers again that any topic you want, just write my name and topic in YouTube. Videos will be available for you. Let us start. Water cycle, its meaning and its processes. Let us start first of all. Meaning of water cycle. What is water cycle? In the environmental studies, biogeochemical cycle is a very significant topic. In the environmental studies, biogeochemical cycle is a very significant topic. Biogeochemical cycle has been derived from the word bio, means biosphere, where living objects are observed. Then geo means geological components, means non-living objects or objects or matters which constitute the earth. And chemical meaning elements and water move in a cycle. So biogeochemical cycle means it is a cycle where in between living objects and non-living objects, some essential ingredients move around. If the essential elements will not move around, living objects cannot survive. So, in environmental studies, biogeochemical cycle is a very significant topic. It derives from the word bio means biosphere, geo means geological components, and chemical meaning elements and water move in a cycle. So, it is a cycle or natural pathway by which essential elements of living matters are circulated. So, biogeochemical cycle is a cycle where in between living objects and non-living objects, some essential ingredients which are necessary for living objects moves around or circulate. And this biogeochemical cycle includes water cycle or hydrological or hydraulic cycle, gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. So this biogeochemical cycle is three types, like water cycle, gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. And this water cycle is otherwise known as the hydrological cycle or hydraulic cycle. Gaseous cycle means cycle of the gases, and sedimentary cycle means the ingredients of earth which are being changed. So biogeochemical cycle includes water cycle, gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. But before we discuss what is water cycle, we must be clear about the meaning of gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. So what is a water cycle? In order to be clear about water cycle, in order to be clear about water cycle, a knowledge about gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle is necessary. Gaseous cycle means circulation of gases in earth or within earth. Sedimentary cycle means changes in the form of rocks from one set to another, again return to its original form. So biogeochemical cycle includes three cycles: water cycle, gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. Before we discuss what is water cycle, we must be clear about the meaning of gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. Once we will be clear about the meaning of gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle, it will be easier on our part to understand water cycle. So what is gaseous cycle? Gaseous cycle means circulation of gases within the earth. Again, sedimentary cycle means changes in the form of rocks from one set to another, again to its original form. So we are clear about the meaning of biogeochemical cycle, and it has three cycles like water cycle, gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. We are clear about the meaning of gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. Now we'll discuss what is water cycle. Water cycle means it is a continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. Water cycle means continuous movement of water within earth to atmosphere. It means, in simple term, when water moves from earth to atmosphere through evaporation and transpiration or guttation, and again return to earth from the atmosphere by precipitation. So water cycle means the circulation of water from earth to atmosphere, again from atmosphere to earth. Water moves from earth to atmosphere by evaporation and transpiration or guttation. Again water comes back from atmosphere to earth by precipitation. So we are clear about the meaning of water cycle. Now discuss processes of water cycle, in which way water moves from earth to atmosphere and from atmosphere to earth. There are three processes. Number one is the transpiration, number two evaporation, number three precipitation. So what is transpiration or guttation? Guttation. So what is transpiration? Transpiration means the process by which plants receive excess water through stomata, means small opening or small pores on surface of leaves. So transpiration means transpiration means no doubt plants receive water, but it uses a small quantity of water for its growth, and rest it transpires to the atmosphere. So transpiration means the process by which plants remove excess water through stomata. Stomata means small opening or small pores or holes on surface of leaves through moisture and water vapor. Roots of plant collect water, but it uses only a small quantity of water, and rest 97 to 99.5% is lost by transpiration or guttation. This extra water evaporates to atmosphere. So transpiration means no doubt plants require water, and whenever roots provide water to plants, plants require a small quantity of water, and rest 97 to 99.5% are removed by the process of transpiration through the stomata or small opening or small pores on the surface of the water. Plants require no doubt roots provide plants water from the soil, but plants require a small quantity of water for its growth, and rest it removes through transpiration through stomata or small opening or small pores on the surface of leaves. So plant requires a small quantity of water, and rest water is removed through stomata, small opening or small pores on surface of leaves. So through moisture and water vapor. When plants remove surplus water, which is known as transpiration, when plants remove surplus water, that water is being evaporated to the atmosphere. It is known as the transpiration. This is the first process by which water moved from earth to atmosphere. And second one is the evaporation. It is also a process by which water moves from earth to atmosphere. So what is evaporation? It is a process by which liquid turns into gas or water vapor. Evaporation means it is a process by which liquid turns into gas or water vapor. Sometimes water of ocean, river, potholes, small hole on the road, pond, drying clothes under sunset evaporates into atmosphere. So evaporation means sometimes water of ocean, pond, river, potholes, drying clothes in the under sun are being evaporated to the atmosphere. It is known as the evaporation. So we are clear how water moves from earth to atmosphere through transpiration and evaporation. Now discuss how water comes from atmosphere to earth. It is by precipitation. Precipitation means rain. Precipitation means it is a process by which liquid or frozen water fall in the atmosphere falls back to the earth in form of rain, snow, sleet. Sleet means partly melted falling snow. Ice pellets, small snow piece of 5 mm. Then graupel means small snow piece within 2.5 mm to 5 mm. Hail means ice ball. So no doubt water moves from earth to atmosphere by evaporation and transpiration. Again it comes back from atmosphere to earth by precipitation. Precipitation means the water in the atmosphere, again they come back to earth in form of rain, snow, sleet. Sleet means partly melted falling snow. And ice pellets means small snow piece of 5 mm. Graupel, small snow piece within 2.5 mm to 5 mm. And hail, ice ball. So water cycle means continuous circulation of water from earth to atmosphere through evaporation and transpiration, again comes back to earth by precipitation. So in this video we are clear what is water cycle, its meaning and its different processes. I request my viewers that try to be clear water cycle through this video. Be attentive to this video so that you will be clear and enjoy this video sincerely so that you will get the benefit. Thank you. Have a good day.